Warm welcome, my dear friends, to an amazing workshop called Self-Mastery. We all hear about this word mastery and self-mastery, and we wonder sometimes, what is this mastery about? What we need to master? And in life, many things are out of our control. For example, what's going on in our head is out of our control. You want to stop your thoughts, stop those negative thoughts, or even you recognize sometimes whenever you intend something very positive, there is a contradicting negative thought, negative belief arises from within you. You wonder how to actually deal with this kind of situation. And also sometimes you wonder negative emotions coming up. You also feel that, oh, I don't want to feel sad, I don't want to feel depressed, I don't want to feel fearful, scared, or angry, guilt or shame. And we wonder, do I ever have a time in my life where I experience something very beautiful in myself, where I'll be observant, I'll be aware of what's happening within me, where I can determine what kind of thoughts can be generated from my mind, what kind of emotions that can be, broadcasted out or expressed in myself, in my life, with relationships, in my relationships. So, self-mastery is about being a master of your energies, master of your mind, master of your own emotional expression, master of your creativity, and being a master in life, how you lead your life, how you behave with others, how you also can notice whenever sometimes in your hands there's nothing that you can control outside circumstances. What to do in such situations where everything is not in your hands? You can't control the behaviors of others. So at that point of time, how to navigate? Mastery is about mastering an art of how to be so aware, how to be a master of, to not be affected of what's happening around us, but generate a positive response from within. So, master of being your creativity, master of your relationships, master of your mind. So, it's all about that. And also one thing that comes up as a theme in our life is our arrogance. We feel superior, we feel big, we feel arrogant. Sometimes along with it, we feel a burden. A bigness also brings a kind of situations in our life. We attract negativity. And also we feel within us a lot of negative things. So ideally, we need to also have a kind of awareness constantly to make ourselves humble, down to earth, and simple. So there are some tools that are offered, self-healing, self-awareness tools, where to understand about the ego dynamics, how we can also chop our own ego, how to lose our self-importance, and how to honor ourselves with deep respect, but without, becoming arrogant. We warmly welcome you to participate in this amazing 2-day workshop that's going to happen in Mumbai. Thank you, dear friends.